So in this video, we'll be filling up Narsee Monjee's form. Now this is the link that is given to you. You can click on that link. It will get you to the page where you have to first register yourself. So I'll quickly register myself. So I've entered the number. You will be getting an OTP. So once you get the OTP, you can register there. You can, in this, select commerce and integrated BBA MBA, though we'll get options inside to select the order. So you can just put any one course as of now, click on this, and then you can click on submit. Once you click on submit, a page will open where you will be getting an option of login. Now your password is where you will be getting it in your email ID. So you can use that password from the email ID. Before that, you need to confirm that. On logging in, again, before login, go to your email ID, make sure that you get a mail and you click on confirm. And when you click on confirm on that email, you will be getting your email ID and password, which is the one that you have to use and get logged in to this portal. In this, you should click on manage application. Once you click on manage application, it will ask you to upload your documents and enter your details. So you will get a small tick here. Make sure you do this. Then go down and start uploading the photo. So the first thing is we will upload the photo. Once that is done, you can click on enter the details, gender, date of birth, blood group, marital status, category will be general, region, if you are from Ahmedabad, you can click on West, nationality will be Indian, this friendly able no, ID proof, you can write down your Aadhaar number, alternate email ID you can enter, it's not compulsory. Then your Aadhaar name and Aadhaar email, Aadhaar number. You need to enter your ABC ID. You can get your ABC ID or the APAR ID from your school. If that's not available, then you can also register here from the DigiLocker and get the APAR ID. Once that is done, you can enter details about your parents. So I'll quickly enter that. Same way, you need to enter your mother's name. Their email ID. Once that is done, you need to enter your address. This is your permanent address. You can just click on yes. Then your details about 10th board, 10th school name, state. So I'll enter Gujarat. 10th, your roll number. passing month most probably would be March, April for all of you. So I'm writing April. The year will be 2024 if you are currently in 12th. Percentage, 10 marks. Once this is done, you can click on I certify that I've accepted this. In 12th standard, you can write appearing, the board, the stream, school name again, state, and if you have taken maths or not. So if you have not taken maths or statistics, then you cannot apply to economics, BSc finance or BSc fintech. Otherwise, you can apply to all the other courses. So I have selected yes in this. Now, this is the important part. So their best course will be under School of Commerce. So I've selected School of Commerce. My first choice would be the integrated program, should be the last. Mumbai, it's only at Mumbai. Then I will go to their most popular course is BSc Finance, Mumbai. So you can take that or you can do a BBA, whichever you are interested in. I've taken BBA Mumbai, then BSc Finance Mumbai. Then I'm taking FinTech Mumbai, and then finally I'll take BSc Navi Mumbai. At present, you can click on retake as no. Post the exam, you might add on. So I'm writing coaching, and then I agree. So once this is done, I'll click on next. It will ask me to preview it and then proceed. So preview, check everything is correct. Once that is done, you can proceed. You will get your application number and a message here which will say pay the registration fees. So if you have selected one school, you will have to pay 2000 rupees for one attempt, and if the number of attempts are more, you can pay more. So are you sure you want to pay the registration fee of 2000? You can click on confirm and then finally make the payment. So this is how you'll be filling up the Narsee Monjee form. Once you have registered, you will get an option to book your date. So which can be done anywhere when you feel that you are well prepared for this. Ideally, April and May second week would be the best time to take the date. So thank you all of you.